Hello, I'm Mr. Poet, and I have two poems for you today. The first poem is called Young Girl Could Have Tasted. Young girl could have tasted my thunder. She could have gotten a chance to embrace the ninth wonder. Young girl could have sailed the world on my private ocean, but she refused to take a sip from my powerful love potion. But she didn't look my way, no, wouldn't give me the time of day. Young girl could have known eternal days of bliss. No other man could ever offer you this. Young girl could have had a love that wouldn't never fade. We would have beaten the odds. I know we would have made it. Young girl could have known a love that is stronger than steel, would have given you kisses, the kind that makes you feel as though you're sitting on top of the world, complete and content. You would have been a happy girl. But she didn't look my way, no, didn't give me the time of day. Next poem is called The Sound of Children Crying. A child's tears are made from deep down inside. Their pain cannot be measured or viewed from the outside. It's hard for adults to know their pain, for we have lost contact with our own child within. Our own inner child weeps and moans, hoping and praying for us to let them come in. We watch our children grow into teenagers. Some drift away from their parents. We as parents don't notice this drift, for we are too busy trying to pay the rent. Our children are now adults, but still they shed their tears. Their silent pain goes unnoticed, their tears still not heard year after year. These unheard adults give birth having children of their own. The patterns continue until their children are grown. So it goes, generation after generation. None understand these tears soaking, saturating our land. Their weeping now make music, striking familiar chords, asking humanity questions that shouldn't be ignored. Over the years, how many children have you heard weep? All their tears creating oceans fathom deep. It don't take much for a young child to cry. Their tears remain a mystery. We can only ponder why. Within their teardrops, visions of the inner world are reflected. Perhaps they feel abandoned, isolated, unloved, and unprotected. Within their sobs and groans are inaudible sounds of children whose faces wear unnoticed frowns. Scripture says that God destroyed the earth with rain. Perhaps it was the tears of children crying, bearing their pain. The sound of children crying. Okay, thank you.